Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video we will see what to do if you are not getting message notification, alert sound, even notification is on in iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to check the side ringer button is not off and make sure that iPhone is not on silent. The second thing that we have to check the ringer volume. To check that, first launch settings, then tap sounds, and under ringer and alert, make sure that volume is high. The third thing that we have to check, open control center and tap on focus and make sure that do not disturb is disabled. Now we go for solution number 4, check date and time. To check that, first launch settings, then tap general and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Now we go for solution number 5, reset all settings. For that, simply launch settings, tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Now we go for solution number 6, launch settings, tap on Bluetooth and turn off Bluetooth. Here one more suggestion, if you are unable to get notification for a particular contact, then unmute that contact. To check that, open the message app and slide right to left and make sure that contact is unmute. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.